Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll offer expert guidance on the timing belt replacement process, including when to replace it, how to choose the right timing belt, and essential installation tips. Follow along as we empower you to take proactive measures in maintaining your vehicle's engine health. Timing belt replacement process. When it comes to the timing belt replacement process, several crucial steps need to be followed to ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle. Below, we'll walk you through the key stages of replacing a timing belt, from the initial inspection to the tension adjustment and testing. Initial inspection. The first step in the timing belt replacement process is the initial inspection. This involves assessing the condition of the current timing belt to determine if it shows any signs of wear or damage. During this inspection, mechanics will look for cracks, fraying, or any other indicators that the timing belt is reaching the end of its lifespan. Removal of old timing belt. Once the initial inspection is complete and it's determined that the timing belt needs replacement, the next step is to remove the old timing belt. This process requires precision and care to avoid causing any damage to the engine components. Mechanics will carefully loosen the tensioner and remove the old belt, ensuring all the pulleys are accessible for the new timing belt installation. Installation of new timing belt. With the old timing belt removed, it's time to install the new timing belt. This step is critical as the correct installation is essential for the proper functioning of the engine. Mechanics will align the new belt with the engine's pulleys according to the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring it is fitted securely in place. Tension adjustment and testing. Once the new timing belt is installed, the final step is the tension adjustment and testing. Proper tension is crucial for the timing belt to function correctly. Mechanics will adjust the tensioner to the manufacturer's recommended setting before conducting thorough testing to ensure the timing belt is operating smoothly and effectively. Following these steps ensures a successful timing belt replacement process, helping to maintain the health and performance of your vehicle's engine. Regular replacement of the timing belt is essential to prevent potential engine damage and costly repairs down the line. Cost of timing belt replacement. When it comes to the cost of timing belt replacement, several factors come into play that can influence the final price you'll pay. Understanding these factors can help you anticipate the expenses involved and make informed decisions. Factors affecting the replacement cost. 1. Vehicle make and model. Different car brands and models require varying levels of labor and specific parts for a timing belt replacement. This can significantly impact the overall cost. 2. Labor costs. The amount of time required for the replacement process and the hourly rate charged by the mechanic or repair shop will affect the total cost. 3. Additional repairs. Sometimes, other components such as the water pump or tensioner pulley may need to be replaced along with the timing belt. This can add to the overall cost. 4. Location. The cost of labor and parts can vary depending on where you are located. Urban areas tend to have higher labor rates compared to rural areas. 5. Mechanics experience. The expertise and experience of the mechanic performing the replacement can also influence the cost. A more experienced mechanic may charge a higher rate. Average price range. The average cost of timing belt replacement can vary widely based on the factors mentioned above. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere between $500 to $1,000 for a timing belt replacement. However, it's essential to get multiple quotes from reputable mechanics to ensure you are getting a fair price for the service. Remember that investing in timely timing belt replacement can save you from more expensive repairs down the road. D versus professional replacement. Considering whether to tackle a timing belt replacement on your own or seek a professional's help? Let's weigh the advantages and disadvantages of DIY replacement versus opting for professional services. Pros and cons of D replacement. Pros: cost savings. One of the primary reasons enthusiasts choose to replace a timing belt themselves is the potential cost savings compared to hiring a professional mechanic. Control and flexibility. DIY replacements allow you to have full control over the process and work at your own pace without external schedules. Personal satisfaction. Completing a timing belt replacement can bring a sense of accomplishment and pride in your automotive skills. Cons: skill and expertise. Timing belt replacements can be complex and require a certain level of mechanical knowledge and experience. Mistakes can lead to costly repairs. Time-consuming. DIY replacements often take longer than professional services due to the learning curve and potential setbacks along the way. Tools and equipment. Acquiring the necessary tools and equipment for a timing belt replacement can add to the overall cost, especially if they are not reusable for other projects. Benefits of professional replacement. Advantages. Expertise and experience. Professional mechanics have the training and experience to efficiently and accurately replace timing belts, reducing the risk of errors. Time efficient. Professionals can complete the replacement in a shorter time frame than most DIY enthusiasts, minimizing downtime for your vehicle. Warranty coverage. Many professional services offer warranties on their work, providing peace of mind and protection in case of any issues post-replacement. In closing, deciding between DIY and professional timing belt replacement ultimately depends on your comfort level with automotive repair, available time, and budget considerations. While a DIY approach can be rewarding for those with the necessary skills, opting for professional services ensures a quicker and potentially more reliable replacement process. In a nutshell, ensuring the proper maintenance of your vehicle's timing belt is crucial for the smooth operation of your engine. By adhering to the manufacturer's recommended replacement intervals and entrusting skilled professionals with the task, you are safeguarding your engine against potentially catastrophic damage. Remember, prevention is always better than repair when it comes to your vehicle's well-being. So, stay proactive and stay on top of your timing belt replacement schedule to enjoy worry-free travels down the road. We hope you found the expert tips and guidance helpful in understanding the timing belt replacement process and ensuring the continued reliability of your vehicle's engine. Be sure to explore our other resources for more valuable car maintenance insights. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.